It's Gary Kayye. We are standing in the Sony booth, one of the most popular booths at InfoComm 2018. I'm here with Sander Phipps, National Account Manager for Sony. Sander, every year this thing gets more and more and more impressive, and now you blow me away with the size.
Well, this year we're showing a true 8K by 4K wall. I guess the biggest downside to this is it's such a draw that it's hard to get through our booth at this point.
Yeah, it's crystal LED, which they launched here 2 years ago, it is LED, right? I mean, talk about how it works.
Okay, it is a type of LED. It's actually, we call it crystal LED. It's a different light emitting diode than traditionally used. It's something that our semiconductor group developed over the span of the last 20 years, believe it or not. We've made this technology. It's the size of a grain of flour, or roughly the size of a human hair. So it's
the LEDs are.
The LEDs are, and they are about 1/100th the size of a traditional LED. So when you look at the wall, 90% of that is black. There's no diode there. So what that gives you is tremendous dynamic range, tremendous black level.
And how do you fill it? How do you fill the edges? Is there some sort of filtering that's going on that's keeping you from seeing the squares around it? Because you have to literally stand right up to the screen to even see the LEDs.
Well, it's kind of, that's multiple parts to that. Basically, part of it is the diodes are embedded into the substrate. So they're not surface mount. So when you're looking at this, you're looking at it, essentially, it looks like almost a piece of glass, and the diodes are buried in that. And secondly, because the diodes are so small, we're able to create extremely tight tolerances between the units, 0.3 microns to be exact. So we can precisely align the tiles together, and you can't see the seams.
And ultimately, like all LEDs, the size is going to determine the resolution. In this case, 32 feet, approximately 32 feet wide. You're going to get 8K, 16 feet wide. You're going to get 4K. What are the applications? Where is this going into right now?
There's a lot of different applications. The two kind of themes to it, I guess you would say, is one, because it is very accurate, color, space-wise, white point-wise, gamma-wise, where critical decisions are being made, automotive design, industrial design. So when someone has to look at the image and make a decision based on that image, they need to make sure the image is right. And the second is to capture people's attention, to wow them. And obviously, you can see that does that.
I mean, even at an AV show full of people that see AV stuff all the time, people are wowed. They just sit there and stare at it. So the path was 2 years ago, you launched it. A year ago, you showed us sort of I don't want to say updated version, but more of a go from a prototype to a final product. You've now since shipped the product. Is it go through the same distribution channel as the rest of the professional display products?
Well, sort of. It is a unique install process. It's not like any other LED install. Having said that, we do have, I think it's 8 or 9 integrators that are trained and certified in the North American market to do it. So basically, yes, through a traditional integrator market. A select few, but yeah.
So you can go at Sony.com and just, you can type in search for crystal LED. We also gone around to the Sony booth and shot individual videos on everything else they have here at the show. So don't think that we're just going to only show you this, because although this is the big draw in the booth and this brings people in the booth, you got a lot of stuff here in this booth this year. So all you need to do is go to raypubs.com/InfoComm2018, type in Sony in the video search window, and we're going to go through every single product that they have here at the show. Congratulations. This product still just is a stunner, and there's nothing like it on the show floor. I mean, everyone, even your competition agrees there's nothing else like it on the show floor.
It's fun. I mean, it's definitely cool to see people's mouths drop open when they look at it. So, yeah.
I don't know how you're going to do that any better than this next year, so you better start working on it now.
It's funny. I was just thinking about that, actually.
Yeah. Curve it? I don't know.
Now, yeah. Well,
make a dome? I don't know, but we'll have to wait and see.
Come back and see, exactly.
Come back and see. All right, thanks for watching, Sander. Thank you for your time, and check it out again at Sony.com.